welcome to the middle stall. I recently ordered some equipment to do additional recording options for content, and I figured I would unbox them and share them along the way. And this is that video. It's first time doing this type of content. Obviously, there's some lessons learned with the position of the camera, but I hope you enjoy it, and feel free to like and subscribe if you do. So first we have some Phillips headphones. Obviously it's cut off and off to the side, nothing big. These are so I can record through the mic at the same time. The box unfortunately was crushed. Here we have a 9-in-1 hub for the USB, operating everything off of a laptop. Anybody who has one knows that you lose USB options very quickly. This has 3 USB 3.0s, 2 USB 2.0s, a Type-C connection, as well as some of the SD cards, and connects using a Type-C. So that'll come in handy. That's made from, I believe it's called Acodot. I'll have links to all of these down in the description. No affiliation with any of this. So moving off to the side for now, a microphone stand, but first I wanted to showcase the Maono RGB microphone, the DGM20. It's a very simple microphone. All of this is budget friendly. Nothing was outlandish by any means. It's just a good starter pack. After reviewing several videos on mics, I went with that one. I'll have more details in that in just a second. And then we do have the Depstech 4K webcam. Again, webcams that come built in with the laptop leave a lot to be desired. So I did get an additional webcam. Again, it just brought in some of the options that I have for content. And then the Maono gear mic arm. This is to allow flexibility if you have watched podcasts or any type of streaming type videos. Some of the spring-loaded arm stands is what we have here. So straightforward Maono gear. Microphone stand just clips to your desk. I have personally a 1-inch surface to clip to. It comes with the microphone clip, as well as you can see in there. It does come for the screw adapter, as the microphone that I got does not have that adapter. So it was convenient to have that simple screw-on attachment. You can see that there's plenty of depth for a variety of desk girth, if you will. So here we just have the actual arm itself, spring-loaded, high tension. Operates pretty well, swivels pretty well. Again, I don't have experience in other types. This is the first endeavor into that, so hopefully it will work out nicely and work as it should. You can see everything tightens and clips down pretty well. No complaints so far. One of the springs, if you have a heavier mic, you can actually adjust the spring to create more tension to be able to hold up where you need it. Next, the Depstech webcam. Again, it's 4K, or supports up to 4K. Very much a plug and play. I did get this as a standard webcam. Again, the laptop leaves a lot to desired as far as camera quality. It was looking a little bit grainy when I was looking at some of the options. So here we have the actual camera itself, 2 built-in speakers, clips just like most standard ones do right to the top of the monitor, USB connector with a pretty decent length of cable. Inside the box further, you had a USB to Type-C adapter as well as I show you. It does have the privacy screen. If you're concerned about privacy through your webcam, you can attach it. It's adhesive, and then it slides open and shut. And then there's a tripod in case you don't have a setup or a desk conducive to putting it on top of the monitor. Or if you want to be extra mobile, you can use the tripod, and use that accordingly. And you can see it swivels on, screws right onto the tripod, just like you see with most camera-based or cell phone-based tripods nowadays. All right. Again, I apologize for the screen angle. The Maono DGM20, a decently priced entry-level microphone. Again, plug and play, no additional software required. It does have a variety of color options, made for gaming or recording content. It does have noise cancellation, in case you have fans or AC units or anything going on to the room. It is able to cut that out. If you're not into the RGB, if you're a little bit of an older generation who doesn't need all the bedazzlement going on, you can turn that off. There is a mute button, as well as a light indicator, as well as you hold that in further for the noise cancellation option. And you can see you can detach it. You can either have it stand on your desk, or you can attach it to the arm that I mentioned earlier that I had purchased, and able to do that. In order to do that, this is connected again with a decent length of USB cable. It's a Type-C connector that goes into the microphone, and then on the other end to connect to your recording device or your laptop, etc. It has either the USB or Type-C connector, and then the 3x5 headphone jack plugs directly into the microphone. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the content. A little bit of a how-to for beginners, if you will. I'm learning everything on my own, studying, researching, etc. So this is the route I went in order to have additional options for content for this channel, as well as another channel that I'm doing with a buddy of mine. So if you liked it, like and subscribe. Comment below if you need to, all that fun stuff. And just also, as an additional update, with the microphone that I did record this on was actually the microphone, as well as the stand that you saw in the video. So hopefully it came through clear. A lot of trial and error along the way, as well as doing voiceover commentary. So I appreciate it, and thank you for all your support.